Hello everyone, this is Hongyue. My interactive module is Human Factors in the Construction Area. This is a module for senior students who major in the construction-related fields and are interested in human factors in this field. I selected senior students because they will have some background information about construction area, which can be helpful for them to understand this module. The learning objectives will include several types of learning activities using different technologies. Also, there will be some questions to ensure that they understand this information. So, the target audience are senior students major in construction-related areas and interested in human factors in the construction area. For the platform, I have 3 learning objectives. The first one is that students will be able to form a basic understanding of this main topic and know the steps they need to finish this module. The first main point is about the background information of human factors in the construction area. It will be provided by a video from YouTube. The students need to watch a video to know this background information. It is a passive activity and it will be assessed by the questions at the end of the video. So the subpoint 1 is about the questions relating to the video. Students need to answer questions at the end of the video to show their understanding. These questions will be embedded in the video using Edpuzzle, and it will be assessed by the answers they provided. Subpoint 2 is about the module, which will be introduced and including the objective, expected performance, structures, and so on. The students need to watch a video recorded by screencast to know the overall framework of the module and how to complete this module step by step. The video will be created using screencast and the movie maker, and this part will be assessed by the following activities of the students to show whether they totally understand how to finish this module. Then the learning objective 2 is about the students will be able to understand several key concepts of this topic, including human factors, human information processing, and so on, which are basic knowledge of this topic. So the main point 2 is about the key concepts of human factors in the construction area. It will be shown by slides created using PowerPoint. The students should review these slides about the key concepts, and it will be assessed by the questions after this part. So the subpoint 1 is about the several questions that was created to test their understanding. Students need to answer questions relating to the contents in the slides by playing game created by Kahoot, and the students will be assessed by answering these questions. Then the learning objective 3 is that students will be able to know the key subtopics under human factors in the construction area. The main point is that the main framework of this topic and several subtopics will be shown as a mind map. This mind map will be created by MindMaster, and the students should review this mind map to understand it, and also review the materials embedded in this mind map. And this part will be assessed by the questions at the end of this page. Subpoint 1 is a presentation recorded by the MindMaster, which will help the students to understand it. So the students need to watch this video. Also, it will be assessed by the questions at the end of the page. Subpoint 2 is about the questions here. So several questions will be created to test their understanding. They need to answer these questions. So it will be assessed by their answers. Finally, we will have a subpoint 3. It is a form that's shown for students to provide feedbacks about this module. Students need to write down any feedback or suggestions about this interactive module. This online form will be created by Wix, and it will be assessed by the answer written by the students. So the major content resources will be presented as a website. All the things will be embedded into this website during different pages. And the technology tools that I will use in this interactive module are Edpuzzle, Screencast, Movie Maker, PowerPoints, Cahoots, MindMaster, and Wix. That's all about my plan of this interactive module. Thank you.